Again, let's do some London, which is a common London naman. D4, D5, Bishop F4, common ititira is Knight F6, and you can do Knight F3 agad. Kadalasan ititira nyo dyan ng E6, E3, then if sumipay pa agad, you'll do C3. Knight C6, common development. Tandaan nyo, sa London, itong pyramid na to ay kadalasang binubuo para magkaroon ng stronghold sa center. Okay? Now, kadalasang tira dyan is Bishop D6. Pag nag-Bishop D6, atras mo lang. Castling, common na ginagawa ng itim. And Bishop D3, supporting the advancement of E4 or para hindi rin makapunta yung knight niya sa E4. And Queen E7, threatening E5. Siyempre, hindi mo i-allow yan. You will go with Knight E5. But what will do black is Knight D7, Knight D7, capture, Bishop D7, capture me D6, Queen X D6, then Queen X E4. Mukha lang common, pero dito mag-i-start yung mahiwagang London trap kung saan you will capture Bishop H7 check. Coach, kakainin lang yan. Then, Queen H5 check, King G8, and Knight E4. Hindi niya makain because pin. Then, common na ititira dyan ay Queen C4. Coach, bakit hindi tumira sa E7? Kasi titira ka ng Knight G5 at wala nang lalabasan tong king mo after Queen H7 and Queen H8. Pakita ko. Yan. Kapag na Queen E7, Knight G5, let's say himove rook kung saan. Queen H7, King F8, and it will be a checkmate. The best move is Queen C4. Pagka nag-Knight G5, Queen D6, depending the H7. But here, you will play E4. Okay? Ngayon, pag inalis na yung rook, halimbawa pumunta siya dyan, capture ka muna, check. Pagpunta doon, you will need to move your rook somewhere. And ang idea mo mamaya is mapunta dyan yung rook at makapunta sa H3, threatening checkmate doon.